Hello. Isang Americano tol.
Okay. 100 pesos.
Thank you. So, nandito ako ngayon sa Lipa City sa Batangas. I just finished shooting a commercial. And it's early, so before we head home back to Manila, we can kill a little bit more time para umiwas sa traffic pabalik sa Manila. And I found this very cute coffee shop here in Lipa City, Batangas. Ang pangalan niya ay Cafe Grounds Philippines. I think it's kinda Japanese inspired yung aesthetic niya, itong coffee shop na to. It's very cute. Umorder ako ng kape. This is Americano. Hindi ko natanong kung anong klaseng beans ang ginamit dito. But because this is Batangas, I'm pretty sure this is going to be a very good kind of coffee. Cafe Grounds Lipa. There. Yan, no? This is where I am right now. Anyway, so later, papasok tayo dun sa pinakatindahan, the boutique, inside this door. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga mabibili dyan. And by the way, the grounds daw na ginamit nila, the coffee beans na ginamit nila dito sa Americano nila, ay galing sa Sagada. It's Sagada coffee. I thought it's going to be Batangas coffee, but no, it came from Sagada. It's good. Napansin ko lang, no, maganda yung location niya. Maganda yung foot traffic, kaya lang medyo maingay kasi nasa tabi siya mismo ng main highway. I don't know which highway was that. Titignan ko na lang mamaya sa Google Maps. But yun na nga, medyo maingay yung location na to. And it's kinda difficult to concentrate if you're here to have coffee and be lost in your thoughts. Mahirap mag-isip kasi maingay. Pero mamaya, tingnan natin yung loob ng boutique. Tingnan natin kung medyo mas tahimik siya. This is the name. Cafe. Actually no, this is not the name pala. This is the logo nung coffee shop na to. It spells cafe. And as you can see, it's Alibata. Alibata ba? Tama? Baybayin? What do you call this? Alibata or baybayin? Basta, yan. Yung Filipino traditional handwriting. Cafe. Look at that. They also have this coaster. And in the coaster, it reads, more espresso, less depresso. Tama ba yun? The more you drink espresso, the more you drink coffee, the less depressed you will be. I don't know if it's correct to say that. But yeah, a lot of people nasasayahan or nawawala yung lungkot, nawawala yung depression pag umiinom ng kape. Coffee makes a lot of people happy. It's antidepressant. Probably works for a lot of people. Does it work for me? I don't know. Meow. Hello. Hi, cat. Hello. You want coffee? Okay, pasok tayo sa loob. It's very aesthetic. Hi. So, puro mga pambabaeng items lang pala ang binibenta dito sa boutique na to.
Yes.
Hi.
Bali may mga reusable straw din po kami ng mga lokal.
Reusable what? Cups?
Reusable straw po. Then may mga tumbler din po kami. Then mga toolbox.
So, they have bags here. They have bags here. They have dresses here. Tapos meron daw silang mga reusable straws and cups. Let's look at it. Ito yung mga cups. Ito, ano ba to? Candle holder. Or nilagyan ng coffee grounds. I don't know what this is. Ayoko hawakan, baka mabasag. Okay. The aesthetic of the store is very... ano tawag dito? I forgot the term. Anyway. Naalala ko na kung ano yung tawag dito sa ganitong klase ng architecture. It's Scandinavian. Yan, may mga ganyan. Mga bare concrete. Tapos they have a lot of earth tones. Particularly the woods, the browns, and yung mga touches na whites. Yan yung mga Scandinavian style of architecture. It's very similar to the Japanese minimalist style. There you have it. This is Cafe Grounds PH, coffee shop and boutique store here in Lipa City, Batangas. The coffee is good. The ambience is nice. It's very aesthetic. This is Cafe Grounds PH here in Lipa City, Batangas.